This is where we install the rear body light cluster unit. You can see there's the one hole at this corner, and also there's the edge over here. So in the light unit, you can see we have this. This is a getting through hole, and we have another two. This other two, we have this bracket. It will just hold the edge of this opening, so you can see it will hold the edge of the opening, then tighten the nut. The 3 nuts, they're all 10mm, so you can see this will get in there, so this bracket will hold the edge of the opening. So now we have all these brackets and the nuts removed, and this nut from here, so we can install the unit to the opening. So we have this corner get into that hole. So you can see the inside. So you can see inside there. So we can have the nut on here. To hold the light unit, and we're going to have this two installed to the other two rod fixing. We're going to install this two. So now we have this bracket installed here, and this bracket installed here. So now we can have the nut on. And finally, we can use a screwdriver to tighten them up. Don't need to be too tight, just snug is okay. Make sure the seal will be fitted very well. Yeah, that will be fine.